Your arrogance blinds you, Apollo. I'm the one who shall inherit the throne. Then what of the night? Will you banish it entirely? The world needs rest. The full embrace of moonlight to balance your fiery sun. You underestimate me, brother. If you seek to rule alone, you will have to defeat me first. I will not bow to you, Apollo. The heavens belong to us both, and I will fight until we see reason. Then lay down your claim, Apollo. The sky were meant for us both. Together, we bring light to the world, Apollo. That is how it should be.